Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is our video is make money online. Nowadays, almost anyone can make money online. In this article, we go over 11 different ways you can start making money online. If you are looking for a side hustle or a new business idea, you may have thought about ways to make money online. When you know what you are doing, make money online is pretty straightforward. You can do it full time or part time right from the comfort of your home. Wouldn't want to work in their pajamas and pull in some extra cash? In this article, we explore some different ways to make money online. To learn how to make money online, read this article from start to finish. Can I make money? Yes, you can make money online. In fact, making money online is incredibly popular way to earn some extra income or even make a full-time living. According to Pew Research, approximately 1 in 6 Americans have earned money from online gig platforms. From freelancer waiting to setting up your own online stores, there are plenty of legitimate way to make money online. Is making money online fast? If you are working how to make money online, it is important for you to stay away from get rich quick schemes. For example, there are some people who make recommended online business ideas that claim you can make money from overnight. Even though there are lots of ways to earn money online, you need to keep your wits about you. As people you promise that you can make millions of dollars in just few days are probably trying to take advantage of you instead. It is important to focus on legitimate ways to make money, such as a social media content. Even though you do need to be careful as you are looking for ways to make passive income from home, there are plenty of amazing ideas out there. If you are wondering how to make money online, you need to focus on what you are already good at. You have talent that a lot of other people would love to have, and you need to learn on them if you would like to make money online. Do not hesitate to try a few ideas and remember that there are people who are willing to help you put together to achieve a strategy that you can use. Make money on your schedule from home with a solid investment connection. How to make money online? As we mentioned above, there are a variety of ways that you can make money online. Read to discover 11 ways to make money online. Find freelancing work. Freelance work is when you work from yourself or complete projects on a connect basis. If you are take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer, and there are plenty of freelancer jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelancing website at that list